Su-57 Hunter shows extreme maneuverability even fully armed. Test pilot reveals. Russia's fifth-generation fighter jet, the Su-57 Hunter, has once again demonstrated capabilities that Moscow claims redefine modern air combat. According to Russia's celebrated test pilot and hero of the Russian Federation, Sergei Bogdan, the Su-57 can execute high-level acrobatic maneuvers even while carrying a heavy combat load. Bogdan shared these details in an interview with Russian media after performing flight demonstrations at the Dubai Air Show 2025. Bogdan highlighted that during the show, the Su-57 flew with 4 missiles, 2 air-to-air missiles, 2 long-range air-to-ground missiles designed to destroy radar stations. These weapons significantly increase the aircraft's weight. More importantly, air-to-ground munitions traditionally impose strict limits on a fighter's load capacity, attack angles, and overall maneuverability. Despite these limitations, Bogdan says the Su-57 still performs high-agility aerial combat maneuvers, even shifting into critical flight regimes without losing control. We demonstrated all top-level aerobatic figures, and the aircraft was fully armed. This is its unique value, Bogdan emphasized. A platform built for decades. Bogdan also stated that the Su-57 is expected to remain in service for 20 to 30 years, undergoing continuous upgrades throughout its lifespan. Each time a new weapon system, such as guided bombs or next-generation missiles, is introduced, expansion of the testing program is required to verify maneuverability, stability, and endurance. As long as the aircraft is in service, it will continue to be tested, he noted. He further revealed that the next major milestone is coming soon, the first flight of a new Su-57 variant, expected in early 2026. Su-5070 makes its Middle East debut. At the Dubai Air Show 2025, the export variant Su-57E was displayed in the Middle East for the first time. A pilot attending the show claimed that Russian aircraft outperformed NATO fighters in 100% of cases, a statement clearly aimed at boosting the fighter's image amid intense global competition. Russia is not only offering the Su-5070 for sale, but also proposing localized production in customer countries, an unusual move signaling Moscow's push for deeper defense partnerships. Conclusion: the Su-57 program continues positioning itself as a cornerstone of Russia's next-generation air power. If the aircraft performs in real combat, as described by Bogdan, its ability to retain supermaneuverability while fully armed could offer a significant tactical edge. The coming years, especially the 2026 test milestones, will determine whether the Su-57's reputation becomes reality or remains largely promotional. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, smash that like button, drop your thoughts on latest military in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into global power plays. Because here at Intel Prime, we know power isn't always loud, but it's always strategic.